welcome to a Math Warehouse video on proving triangles congruent. We've already gone over the main postulates for proving two triangles congruent: side, 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 angle, side, angle, 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 side, SAS, and hypotenuse, leg. Today, we're going to do a full proof from beginning to end, and one of these different postulates will be used to prove the triangle's congruent. This is the proof we're going to do. We're given that C is a midpoint of BE and side AB is parallel to side DE, and our goal is to prove these two triangles are congruent. So the first step that you want to do is look at the givens and see what angles or sides we can get and know are congruent from those givens. So I'm going to start with angle A and angle D. Angle A here and angle D. BAC, CDE. And I'm going to state they're congruent, and the reason will have to do with the bottom given, because AB being parallel to DE means that we can use the alternate interior angles of parallel lines as congruent. So A is congruent to D via that. We can also state that one side of the triangle equals another side of the other triangle, and we're going to use the other given for that. C is the midpoint of BE to state that BC is congruent to CE, which is the definition of midpoint. So I just want to point out what I did. I used the givens to figure out a pair of angles and a pair of sides being congruent. I mark them up, and now we just need another side or an angle. And we can go back to the givens and use that and say that angle B is congruent to angle E for the same reason as before. These parallel lines here create alternate interior congruent angles. So now we can say that ABC is congruent to DEC, with which postulate I'll give you a moment to think about it, and it would be angle, angle, side.